Good day, I'm Theodore Henry, and this is your JIS News for Thursday, May 11. The Ministry of National Security will be spending $50 million this fiscal year to repair 180 police stations across the island. Portfolio Minister Robert Montego says $200,000 will be allocated to each station in July to carry out minor repairs. These include repairs to bathrooms, kitchens, plumbing and electrical fixtures, as well as painting and measures to secure the station. A further $50,000 will be given to the stations to purchase furniture and equipment, and $5 million will be shared among the police stations to purchase appliances. Minister Montego was speaking at the 74th Annual Police Federation Conference on Tuesday. He urged police personnel to ensure that the money was spent with businesses in the communities they serve in an effort to continue building better relationships.
A program must be written by the station head following a community meeting. And this program must be approved by the divisional head and endorsed by the parish consultative committee or a police civic committee.
State Minister for Finance and the Public Service, Favour Williams, says the NIR is now at $2.849 billion, the highest since 2002. The State Minister was making her contribution to the 2017-2018 sectoral debate in Parliament on Tuesday. She pointed out that the country's fiscal security was further supported by the government's access to $1.7 billion under its precautionary standby arrangement with the International Monetary Fund.
These resources are available for current account support in the event of unforeseen external events beyond our control. A precautionary standby arrangement plus healthy net international reserves give us Jamaicans the assurance of a safety net, a strong safety net.
The Ministry of Foreign Affairs and Foreign Trade has taken ownership of a database capturing the location, interests and skills of members of the Jamaican diaspora. The database was developed under the Online Diaspora Mapping Project and funded by the International Organization for Migration, IOM. The IOM formally handed over the database to the Foreign Affairs Ministry on Wednesday.
We intend to utilize it as part of our future plans to develop a more robust and effective diaspora engagement strategy.
The ministry's permanent secretary says the database will also enhance the work of the Diaspora Engagement Task Force,
which is now preparing a proposal for an institutional framework for promoting, coordinating and organizing economic and social investment opportunities for our diaspora.
Minister of Foreign Affairs and Foreign Trade, Senator Kamina Johnson-Smith, had previously revealed that the database captured 2,300 persons. Members of the public are now able to attend the 37th Institute of Sports Primary School Athletic Championships free of cost. The waiving of the admissions fees is part of government's drive to increase access and the number of participating school athletes.
We will not be charging anyone admission to the meet. So what I want the schools to do now, you're going to mobilize your communities, you're going to mobilize the parents, you're going to mobilize everybody to come out and cheer your team.
At Monday's launch, the sport minister said $500,000 would go to the champion school, $250,000 for second place, and $125,000 to the school that places third. Over 4,000 students from 90 schools are competing for top honors at the championships, which is now underway at the National Stadium until Saturday, May 13. And finally, Slow Down Day, which was observed today, will again be marked as a national initiative tomorrow.
We're asking the nation to slow down. Don't go above 30 kilometers per hour, which is the speed at which persons can receive serious injury. Or you may have to stop to be more mindful about accommodating pedestrians. So it really is driving for safety. Even if the speed limit is a little higher, drive for safety.
It's part of the initiatives to mark the 4th UN Global Road Safety Week. The week is being observed from May 8 to 14 under the theme, Slowing Down Saves Lives. The executive director of the National Road Safety Council says the focus is on speeding because international data points to this as a significant factor in fatal road crashes.
Worldwide, at least 1 in 3 deaths occur because of speeding. In Jamaica, it's no different. The stats might be a little different in that we hear that it's 90% of fatal crashes are caused by speeding, which is pretty significant. It's a big problem.
Ms. Fletcher was speaking at a recent JIS think tank. And that's it for JIS News today. I'm Theodore Henry. Thanks for watching.